Will content creation careers die because of AI? AI can now do the execution. AI can write scripts, generate images, edit videos, even clone voices. So will creator careers disappear? Not likely, but they will evolve. AI lowers the barrier to entry. Anyone can generate content. Volume will increase dramatically. More content equals harder differentiation. When supply increases, standing out becomes harder. Tools won't be the differentiator. The creators who survive won't rely only on tools. What will matter more? Original thinking, authentic perspective, strategic positioning, community building. AI helps with execution, not identity. AI accelerates production. It doesn't replace who you are. Authenticity becomes scarce as generic AI content increases. Human perspective becomes more valuable. The future creator doesn't compete with AI. They use AI to amplify creativity.